Okay, I have this leftover sabji. So I'm going to make it in a snacks. ये अपना काम शुरू कर चुकी है. So I'm going to make it in a snacks. So I'm going to fill it in a this tartar. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm very bad in pronouncing. So I'm going to fill these 2 cups with this bachi hui sabji and then some cheese to fill this one. क्या कर रही हो उसके साथ? रोटी. Nice. Now cheese on it. I'm using cheddar cheese. नहीं खाओगी? Okay. Try करना. Okay. Oven preheat हो चुका है. So let's put this inside. Now wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Accused of murder. Perfect use of leftovers. It's yummy. It's yummy. It's yummy. Bye. Enjoy your leftovers.